Good mornings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our campsite. We are right now about 80 miles away from Glacier National Park, and we are camped this place called Lindenberg's Lakes, and it's a boondocking. Boondocking means dry camping. All right, today we're gonna make a black spaghetti nere con sardine. That's our signature dish. So basic is the if you see the ingredients, we have the black spaghetti. In the middle of nowhere, we get the black spaghetti from a small town here, and then we have olive oil, garlics, chili peppers, Parmesan cheese, Italian parsley, salt and pepper. That's all the simple ingredients. So right now, and I just got this stove, and it's pretty exciting to use it. All right, all the recipes step by step is on my cookbooks, and if you have to went to my website, it's called Perche No website, and follow the link. Okay, here you go, and we have olive oil. Okay, crank up a little bit more. Olive oil, and then put the garlic. Okay, make sure you lightly brown the garlic. Not burn. Then we have the sardines, boneless skinless sardines. Make sure they're boneless and skinless. Okay, now start to lightly brown. Here we go. Yeah, happy sardines. Go inside, baby. Smash it real good. Do you smell that? Oh my goodness, holy Toledo. In the middle of nowhere. Okay, now you brown it. Okay. This is a very powerful one, so I don't know how to use this thing. Okay, now we put some capers. Okay, salt and pepper, salt, black pepper, chili flake, and then all you do, you toss the black spaghetti, which cook already. I think my wife is very hungry. This morning she haven't eaten anything. She do a whole bunch of yogurt. So I think I better give her more pasta. Maybe we're gonna go for a hike. Who knows? Beautiful day. Alright folks. Very simple dish. And then let it cook a little bit. This time you put some Parmesan cheese. And we have little chopped Italian parsley. Allora, ha capito, che bello pasta. Okay, here we go. We all set here. So we set the plates onto it. Alright, that's all it is. It's a simple dish and it's very healthy. The omega oil from the sardine. Okay, now we're gonna dish it out. we go. That's it. Clean up the plates. Sprinkle a little Parmigiano cheese. Che bello. Allora capito. Okay, here we are. Black spaghetti con sardini. So this is our dishes, and right now the weather is incredible, and you also see the river right here. Later on we're gonna dip down there and just enjoy the river. All right, thank you folks, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao bella.